Welcome back to the Happy Farming channel. In this video, I'm visiting a grape nursery. Here, you can see many seedlings produced using the grafting technique. The rootstocks used are local grape varieties because they are well suited to the soil conditions here. Today, I'm looking for the Basanti variety seedlings, which are known for their crispy and sweet taste. The seedling process usually takes almost 2 months or even longer to be ready for planting, starting from preparing rootstock cuttings until roots develop before grafting. The price is $5 per seedling. In this spacious greenhouse, various grape varieties are also planted. Currently, some are in the branch formation phase, while others are flowering or bearing fruit. Besides grapes, you can also see lush onions growing here. I think that's all for now. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.